Hi, my name is Maria Idayu. My metric number is 252792. So today, I would like to talk about ventilation and air conditioning system used by the building. The building I chose was a public library at Pasmas, Kelantan. This building was built about 10 years ago and be a place for community, especially a student, to visit. In the library, the environment is comfortable. It is because of good ventilation and air conditioning system. So, ventilation and air conditioning system is a technology to control the indoor environment of a building, such as temperature, humidity, airflow, and air filtering. The purpose of ventilation is to provide acceptable indoor air quality, to remove a bad air or not fresh air and then replace it with a fresh air, and also helping to moderate indoor temperature. The ventilation system used by this library building is mechanical ventilation. That is by using machine assistant in the process of air exchange in the building, and of course, its use is necessary to obtain in the quantity and quality of air.
Most buildings today use mechanical ventilation because mechanical ventilation is a system to bring a fresh air into a building or remove air from inside a building.
By using mechanical ventilation, the indoor air quality of the building can be improved, can reduce the risk of health problems caused by the indoor air polluted, and also lower running budget. The disadvantage of mechanical ventilation is this system depends on power source and requires special equipment, additional resources, and personnel.
There are three basic types in mechanical ventilation system, which is exhaust system, supply system, and balance system. Exhaust system is to remove air from inside the building to outside of the building. Second is supply system, that is to bring air from the outside into the building. And balance system, that is the combination between exhaust system and supply system.
In this library building, they use exhaust system, that is removing stale air from the building using exhaust fan. This library building uses an exhaust fan in the toilet to remove odor in the toilet. Therefore, the air inside the building is fresher. I think that's all from me. Thank you so much.